Have you always wanted to read the Quran fluently and with understanding, but never knew where to start? The Hafiz Academy is here to guide you, starting from the alif to being able to write, recite, and understand the meaning of the words. Whether you prefer online or in-person classes, our program is designed especially for beginners. We will assume you don't know your alif from your fa. We provide all learning materials, teach you each letter with its vowel signs, show you how to write the letter and join the letters into words, and help you master the recitation using the whole word approach with understanding. Take your first step towards truly connecting with the words of Allah. Learn to read the Quran and understand it. For more information or join our online or contact classes, WhatsApp us on 082 537 2437.